So that barn used to hold water underneath it, right? Before that barn was here, all that land underneath it?
Yeah, any water
that 2100 square feet or so, that used to hold water. Now it has a roof over top of it, so now there is no water that goes in there, so that no longer holds water. So where's the water go that used to go in the ground right there where that building sits?
goes around it and then down this hill.
All of it runs off. Well, everything from the roof runs off on the sides, and then it goes over. It goes somewhere else. So if this particular soil will seep so much water a minute and it covers and then it runs into that stream right over there. If it can do that now, but then you take that much water, you throw it in the same exact area, now instead of being able to absorb the water into the ground, it's going to run off, it's going to fill that creek up more, that creek's going to now go downstream more and more, and it's going to get higher and higher as more and more people do that. So as we build our concrete cities, you know, we have to put retention ponds in to capture that water and keep that water from going out and draining onto somebody else's property and flooding somebody else's house. That's the purpose of it.